today I want to tell you variation of g with altitude. G means acceleration due to gravity. We know that g is equal to capital G me divided by r square. M is mass of earth, r is radius of earth, and g is universal constant of gravity. According to this formula, g depends on r. R means radius of earth, but it is inversely proportional to radius of r. I mean, if radius of earth is increases, then value of g is decreases. Conversely, if r is decreases, then value of g is increases. But the value of g is not fixed at any point. It varies from point to point. Like on the sea, the value of g is maximum. Conversely, at the mountain, the value of g is minimum. It is sea, and here is mountain. So at this point the value of g is maximum. Why? Because it is close to earth and r is minimum. On the other hand, at this point the value of g is minimum. Why? Because we are moving away from surface of earth and the radius is increases. Let me describe all of these in terms of mathematics. Guys, this is earth, it is center, this is radius of earth, and me is mass of earth. An object is placed on the surface of earth, but it is one distance or one radius away from the surface of earth. Say it is h. So according to this formula, let's find the value of g. G is equal to capital G me divided by r plus h whole square. In that case, the value of h is equal to the r because it is one earth radius away from the surface of earth. Then g me divided by r plus r whole square. G is equal to g me 2r square. One more step, g is equal to me 4r square. It means the value of g is 1/4 of its value on the earth. Let's consider another case. Consider, guys, now this is earth. Now the object is 2 points away from surface of earth. I mean, the radius, the object is 2r away from surface of earth. It is 2h. Again, this is the earth and the radius of earth is capital R, mass is me. So let's put all of these conditions in that equation. G is equal to capital G me. These are the constant term, okay? And in here 2h is equal to the 2r. So r plus 2r whole square. G is equal to G me 3r square. G is equal to G me divided by 9r square. Now in this case, G is 1/9 of its value on the earth. So it's clear that if you move away from the surface of the earth, the value of G is decreases because the radius is increases. Hopefully guys, now this point is clear for you. See you in next video with another topic. Have a nice time.